Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly remove a review on Etsy, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this blog right over here because I don't have any items that I'm selling, so I can't actually access any reviews, so let's get right into it. Now, when it comes to reviews on your own items that you are selling, the short answer is pretty much is impossible. The long answer is reviews that adhere to the guidelines of Etsy cannot be removed. You can appeal if you are the seller. You can contact Etsy and get them to remove the review. However, if the review again follows the guidelines, they will not remove it, and pretty much it will be impossible to do so. So if you get a bad review and that bad review is accurate to your product or is just a subjective view of your product and again adheres to the guidelines, pretty much you will have no chance of getting it removed. However, if you are the one reviewing it, you can remove it if again it doesn't adhere to the guidelines, or if you made the review by mistake. If you've been hacked and it wasn't actually you, you can contact Etsy, explain the situation to them, and then they will probably help you to delete the review. However, you can also do another thing. During the 100-day review period, you can very easily change your review if you've had any changes to it, or if you had a change of heart or anything. You can very easily just go into your purchases and reviews, locate the review you want to change, click edit, change everything that you want, and then save the changes once you're done with it. And that is one of the methods to change your review. Again, you can remove your review if it wasn't you, or if it was a glitch or a mistake or anything like that. Just contact Etsy customer support and they will help you as much as they can to actually remove that review. Other than that, there's nothing else to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.